Today I'm going to show you how to make pure, non-toxic candles for your home. Many store-bought candles can present two problems. The first one is that many of them are made with paraffin wax, which has been linked to different problems in your lungs and in your breathing, and it's even linked to cancer. The second problem is, even if you buy a candle that doesn't have paraffin wax, it can have fragrances that are very irritating to your sinuses. The solution is to make your candles at home. All you need is two simple ingredients: beeswax and coconut oil. On beeswax you have a couple of choices. One is to use pastilles, they're faster to melt, or you can use our Texas beeswax. It smells like honey and it is just delicious. The ratio is 2 parts of beeswax to 1 part of coconut oil. So it really depends what container you choose. I have these two, and I have simply filled them up with the pastilles. It's an eyeball measurement. If I wanted to use the block, I would have used the whole block to fill those up, and if there's a little extra, you can always put it in an extra container. Once you know how much beeswax you're going to use, now you have to weight it so that you can decide how much coconut oil you need, because remember, it's 2 parts to 1. So you just weigh this up. So you create a double boiler, you put a little water in a pan, and then you use a sturdy container where you put the beeswax, and then you add the coconut oil so they melt slowly together. Before you pour in your candle, you need to secure the wick. So I've used a little double-sided tape, and I stick it at the bottom of the wick, and I push it down so it stays there. And you also need to use something like a pen, a pencil, or chopsticks to make sure that the wick stays center while you pour the wax, because if you don't, your wick might end up just going on the side, and it'll end up kind of like that.